Singapore, a vibrant melting pot of cultures, boasts a rich tapestry of tradition shaped by its diverse ethnic communities. This unique blend of costume and practices is a testament to the country's history as a trading hub, attracting immigrants from across Asia and beyond.
Alright, let's talk about Singapore. You know, this place might be tiny on the map, but it's packed with so much energy and life. Imagine a city where you can go from glassy skyscrapers to colorful street markets in just a few steps. That's Singapore for you. It's like this giant cultural mix where people from all over Chinese, Malay, Indian, and many more come together, making it a really special place. Now, let's talk about Chan Mali Chan, a folk song from Singapore. Chan Mali Chan is a testament to the shared cultural heritage of Southeast Asia, particularly in Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. The song's popularity reflects the religion's rich musical traditions and the importance of folk songs in preserving cultural identity. The song's enduring appeal highlights the power of music to connect people across generations and cultures.
Chan Mali Chan is more than just a song. It shows the cultural side of Singapore. Even though the city is fast-paced and modern, songs like this remind people of their traditions and the warm community spirit.
The song's origin can be traced back to Malay poem called Pantun, while the exact meaning of Chan Mali Chan is uncertain. The word Mali is believed to be the variation of Mari, meaning to come, suggesting an invitation to someone named Chan. The lyrics are often take the form of question and answer format, with the first line asking, "Where is my lamb?" and the second line providing an answer. This structure can be interpreted as parents searching for their children.
Variations and popularity. There are numerous variations of Chan Mali Chan across different regions with different lyrics and melodies. A popular Indonesian version titled Anak Kambing Saya, My Lamb, or My Baby Goat is attributed to Sari Janiin. The song's catchy tune and simple lyrics make it a favorite among children and adults alike, often sung in schools and during celebrations.